Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? I need a little lipstick. Do y'all need some lipstick? I always have one handy. This is one I really like that's quick. Y'all know I use Chanel because it lasts longer, but when I've eaten and it's towards the end of the day, which it is right now, then I do always keep some little lipsticks in my drawer. And this is one of the ones I've really been enjoying. This is that Dior one. Look how pretty it is how the Dior goes from one side to the other on that. It's just pretty. And this color is 667 called Dior Mania. Is that right? Dior Addict. And this color is Dior Mania. But it's just pretty. I like the little knob on top and the name that wraps around. It looks pretty to me. And it's one of those skinny lipsticks, which is less lipstick. That's what you get. It's very smooth, very pigmented, and yet it's very moisturizing. Of course, it doesn't stay on very long. And even if I use lip liner, it's the lip liner that's staying on, not the lipstick. So, all right, so what have I got? I've got a box. And this is what the box says. So many messages on the inside of the box. And people talk about, this is more sustainable. I just wonder what it costs to ink this box. It doesn't, just because it's brown in nature doesn't mean, it's better for nature. This is True Botanicals, pure, potent, and proven. And it says, take our 2-minute skincare quiz to choose your regimen. And I fell for it. For one, well, and let me just tell you, it's also animal test-free, as marked by PETA. It's vegan. It's made safe. It's got all these different things on there to let you know this is wonderful for you. It's wonderful for the environment and nature, and yet somehow they came up with something to put on your face and make you look, 40 years younger, right? The one that got me was Brooke Shields. This is her recommended regimen. If you grew up with Brooke Shields, you understand, right? All right, so here's the little, I'll just throw that off over there. Here's how it looks when it comes in the box. Looks like just a bunch of little pretty boxes. So let's just get started. This is a skincare that I already have a skincare, but I'm always trying new stuff. So this will not be used right away, or I may try it once. And if I really don't like it, I'll return it because it ain't cheap. So I will return it if I truly don't feel like it's good. But I'm going to try to show it to you even in the order that you would put this on, okay? Does that help you? Okay. So there is 6 pieces, 6 little boxes. There's one, let's see. I would put that first. Whoops. That first. Let's see. This one is, I've got to ask myself that question. I don't know. That's, no. Do that. And do that. That's first. And this is an essence. Okay. So these go together. Okay, so this is how it's going to go. Can you see that over there? Okay, first and foremost, get clean. So this is the Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. And it's to calm your skin and get it good and clean. So let's take a peek at it. I like that it came with the little scooper. That just looks like it's probably bamboo or something. It doesn't say. Okay. You put the balm on your face, formulated to clean off dirt and impurities. At the same time, exfoliate and hydrate to lock moisture in. You're going to do more than that. As far as hydration, that's this. Maybe it doesn't make your skin dry, is what it's saying. Because it says your skin will feel super hydrated after cleansing. It's powered by yucca plant, cucumber seed oil, lactic and azelaic acid. You put about a quarter size between your fingers and massage it over your dry skin. Don't wet your skin first. And around the eye area to dissolve all makeup. Rinse with warm water. I'm kind of shocked that you can put this around your eyes, y'all. And it has a very long list of ingredients. But I have to tell you, all of them look all natural. I mean, really and truly, it is sunflower, it is avocado, it's tangerine, it's argan oil, it's ginger, it's oat, it's cucumber, it's turmeric, it's sugarcane, That's the cleanser part. You know, it has to have something rough. Orange, sugar maple, and neroli. Ooh, that means it's going to smell good. Ooh. It's got a little checkerboard on the bottom. Why's that? Kind of looks cool. So this is what it looks like. Whenever you see these kind of brown glass, that's because the ingredients inside might be affected by sun, so they tint the glass. I can smell, wow, I can smell a lot of things, but I can smell the neroli. I can smell a lot of things. Okay, to me that almost looks like a gel. It's very oily. So whatever the oil is, it's very prominent. I'm not going to do that right now, obviously. Comment below if you'd like to see me do my skincare routine in person in the bathroom. I have a dressing area. You wouldn't see me like in the potty area. Okay, and then I always do eye cream first because that says it's okay to get makeup off. I probably wouldn't put it right on my lashes, maybe underneath to get under here. I wouldn't put anything right that would get in my eyes. I don't even care if it says it can. The only thing I use to get my waterproof mascara off is Neutrogena's makeup wipes because they get off waterproof mascara. But then after you do this cleansing, the first thing I would put on, I don't care what they say, is your eye cream. Because whatever you get on your hands, unless you're going to wash thoroughly afterwards, every time you keep adding things, you're putting it there. I wouldn't put anything around the eyes that isn't for the eyes. So I would start with your eye cream. And people say you just barely tap it. Okay, I would rub it in real good. It is not going to stretch your skin any more than when you rub your eye when it's itching. So, yeah, no. I would put it on and I rub it in real good. And then I tap it, and I'll tell you why I tap it. I also close my eyes when I tap it because microscopically it's splatting because I want to push it down into the skin and into the cells around the eye. So that's what I would do with that. Now, I don't know. It doesn't say shake the palm of the hand, press onto the face. Use after cleansing. I think this would be next. Okay, so this is called, this is one you can not do, but this is called the Microbiome Enzyme Essence. It's an essence, and it's just one more thing that's going to help your skin. And you put it, you give it some good shakes, and you put it on your fingertips, and you just press it into the skin. And I would press it really hard. They always act like you should be gentle. Press it hard. You want it to get through the layers of the epidermis on down. So I would do that one that way. Then next you have the serum, and this is the one that Brooke Shields swears by. And that's just a terminology. I don't know if she swears or not. I think she does, actually. But anyway, it says Chabula Active Serum. And this is another one of those that you shake real good. And then you do, this has got one of the little squeezies. I can't think. Dropper. And you just do a full drop. Let it come up. And that's how much. And you can either put it directly on your skin, which as long as you hold your head back so it doesn't fall off, this is very expensive. I would do a drip here and here, but then you're also, again, touching other parts of your face is clean. And then smear it in real good and then press it in real good. And I would do all over your face, all the way up into your hairline, back in here where you have age spots and wrinkles are back here too. And especially out here, people think it's always these and the 11s. There's also back here that wrinkles. When you look at an old lady from the side, that you notice that a lot. And certainly your crow's feet, but also go up and down the neck. People say just go up. I do all around. Just make sure I get it in good. Okay, next is the vitamin C booster. Vitamin C is particularly good for brightening, so it's really, really important, and one of the things they always do for age spots. I have developed age spots all around here, which is interesting because people say age spots come from the sun. No, they don't, because I don't have age spots on my nose and cheeks, forehead, chin. That's where the sun hits, not down here. And that's where I've really got it, almost underneath here. And then I got one right there. Could it be made worse by the sun? Certainly. And that is the side that, when I'm driving. But my car, even the windows have the, the sun shield on them. So I think it's more has to do with your immune system and your liver and all of that. I do think that it comes from aging and that vitamin C simply brightens the skin. So, and what does vitamin C also do? It helps with immunity. So I think it's more a breakdown of immunity. So this is another one where you shake. I always shake everything really well because it settles when it sits in a container. And you can either put it in the serum, or you can put it in the oil, or you can just put it direct. So those can work together. You can put that on and then put that on if you want. And then, last but not least, is the Pure Radiant Oil. And I think this actually should be last. Otherwise, what in the world's the order? Just says unclean skin. So you could use the oil, you put that in, actually you really could put all three of these together. What's Radiance Oil? It's honestly, it's a botanical oil. What does oil do? Well, it moistens your skin and it sticks behind a long time. And I would say, while they're calling all these barrier products, I think it's just oils that help hold whatever you're putting on in. It creates a barrier from anything in the environment, any moisture that is not that you put on there. And also to keep your skin moist. So, and what do we know about oil? It holds in, it's heavier and it holds in that moisture that you've applied. So that's the order that I would put this in. I intend to try it, and if it doesn't work, I intend to send it back. Or either never buy it again. We'll see. We'll see as I start to investigate this product line. I'll know. I'll know early on, whoa, you just need to send this back and ask for a refund. Or, you know what, you're stuck with it and you're going to just keep it. And I don't know which one it is right now. But that's the only thing about skincare. You don't know for a while, really 30 to 40 days, on whether it's really helping. But sometimes the process of skincare is more, it's just, it feels good to put it on. You feel like you're taking care of yourself. Certainly some of these things are better for your skin, but we all know hydration is the key, and it's from the inside. So drink lots of water, and do wash your face and get off all the toxins from the day. That's really important to do every single night. And then also every morning, night and day. It's hard to look young. And also, keep a little weight on you. Don't get too gaunt.